Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you 7 tips to boost your affiliate marketing revenue. But what do you understand by affiliate marketing? This is a great way to save income by promoting other people's product and earning a commission for every sales you made through your unique affiliate link. So let's dive into the tips. Tip number 1, choose the right niche. This is very important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and has a high demand in the market. This will make it easier for you to create content and resonate with your audience and help you to make more sales. Tip number 2, build trust with your audience. Your audience need to trust you before they can buy from you. So focus on building a relationship with them by providing value, being honest and transparent about your affiliate partners. Tip number 3, promote high quality products. Promoting low products will only damage your reputation and hurt your revenue in the long run. So choose the products that are very relevant to your niche and have a great reputation in the market. Tip number 4, choose multiple platforms to promote your affiliate link. Don't just rely on one platform. So use multiple platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to reach a wider audience and increase your chance of making more sales. Tip number 5, create engaging content. Your content needs to be engaging, informative, and entertaining to grab your audience attention and keep them engaged. Tip number 6, offer incentives to your audience. Offer exclusive discounts, bonuses, or freebies to incentivize your audience to purchase through your affiliate link. Tip number 7, track your result and optimize. Keep tracking your result and see what is working for you and what is not. Optimize your campaign accordingly to maximize your revenue. So, those are my 7 tips for boosting your affiliate marketing revenue. I hope you found them very helpful. If you have any question or tips of your own, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you. And if you find this very valuable to you and very informative, please try to follow me for more.